Hi, I'm Haley Mooney, Instructional Designer, student in the Masters of Educational Technology program at UBC, and Educational Venture Analysis with the E-Tech 522 Ventures and Learning Technology class. Today, we're tackling the range of technologies that fit under the category of microlearning platforms. So first up, what is microlearning and how is it delivered? It's unlikely that you haven't come across microlearning at some point by now. Have you helped someone with their homework using Khan Academy? Found out how to fix something on YouTube? Perhaps you're improving your Spanish on Duolingo. If you're looking to learn something these days, chances are it's on the internet and it comes in bite-sized formats, because that's the way we like to learn. I won't bore you with the research, but if you'd like to perform a search on the benefits of microlearning, you won't be disappointed. Microlearning is content taught in relatively short sessions, where each module would typically focus on a specific topic, but beyond this can look very different depending on the teachers, the students, and the subject. It can take many forms, including videos, quizzes, texts, and individual short responses. There are tons of innovative micro lessons out there to be perused. But what if you have something original to teach? Of course, there's an app for that. In fact, there are a lot of apps for that. Due to the popularity of microlearning as a teaching format, the market is now flooded with software that can be used to create short lessons for everyone from young children to academics and universities, to tradespeople and businesses who need career advancement or on-the-job training. And teachers, instructional designers, and learning and development specialists are often searching for the best technology to deliver these bite-sized nuggets of information. So we've established there is a market for microlearning. But what is the business model, and who are the customers? Because of limited budgets, K-12 teachers often make use of ready-made solutions, apps that are already on the market with a variety of pre-prepared lessons they can choose from, or platforms which offer free plans. These same platforms typically also offer a more extensive paid version for higher education and businesses. Examples of these include Kahoot, where teachers can create quizzes to see if their students are paying attention, Brainscape, where teachers collaborate with their class to create flashcards, and even coding can be taught with microlessons using apps like Tinkercad. In higher education and business, topics that must be covered in lessons tend to be too niche for pre-made lessons, and with larger budgets come more options. This is where the more complex learning platforms come into play. Assets to look for in these platforms are that they are easy to navigate, provide simple solutions for authoring lessons, offer a wide variety of delivery options, and provide the ability to collaborate with other students and teachers. They also should have analytics and reporting systems so lessons are responsive to progress, and teachers are kept appraised of performance in problem areas, and can be offered on any mobile device. There are a variety of platform styles for these markets. For the holistic approach, there are platforms like EdApp, which is a complete microlearning management system, LMS. For a more specific style of teaching, there are apps that facilitate learning in modes such as text messaging, like Arist, which allows learning designers to coordinate a series of interactive text-based lessons. Some apps are already integrating AI into their platforms, like Axonify, which uses data from individual students to identify knowledge gaps and deliver tailored material. There are also industry-specific microlearning platforms like Brainshark, which is specific to training sales teams. Teachers, instructors, and instructional designers in schools, colleges, trade schools, higher education, and the corporate world are all eager to produce lessons in these micro-formats. After all, research is showing how useful they can be for retention, engagement, and completion rates, when done right. Hopefully this video has given you a broad overview of some of the types of platforms available to create microlearning lessons. I've created a separate page with links to more information on these and other microlearning platforms if you'd like to review or deepen your knowledge. Of course, if you have any questions, please enter a comment on my E-Tech 522 Analyst Report page. Thanks for watching.